The Tungsten Sphere Betz Mystery Ball, 1974, Florida, USA. It began with a fire, an ordinary brush fire rolling across a quiet Florida property in 1974. But when the smoke cleared, the Betz family found something that made their hearts stutter. Resting in the ash was a perfect silver sphere, smooth as polished stone, heavy as if it carried secrets deep inside. No scorch marks, no dents, just waiting. At first, they thought it was scrap metal, maybe part of a machine or a forgotten industrial project. But when they brought it home, the house itself seemed to change. At night, faint metallic tones hummed through the halls. Sunlight glinted off the orb like it was alive. And then came the first impossible moment. The sphere moved, on its own. The family would later swear that it rolled uphill, reversed direction with uncanny precision, and followed them around the room like an obedient mechanical pet. When pushed, it stopped itself, as if calculating, as if listening. Word spread quickly. Reporters crowded the Betz home. Photographs of the gleaming orb hit front pages. Scientists arrived with equipment, eyebrows raised, trying not to look too eager. What they found only deepened the mystery. Inside the sphere, X-rays showed a dense core wrapped in an unusual shell, far thicker than a normal metal casing, and made of an alloy some described as similar to stainless steel, others suggested might be tungsten-like in density. Strange internal structures reflected the scans. No one could agree on what they were. Components? Chambers? Something else? The military stepped in next. The Navy tested the ball. The engineers tapped, weighed, rolled, heated, scanned. Their conclusion? Confusing. No explosives, no radiation, no clear function, but it behaved unlike anything they had cataloged. One official simply shrugged and admitted, "It's odd." As the frenzy grew, theories collided like storm fronts. Some insisted it was a piece of advanced military equipment accidentally dropped during training. Others whispered about extraterrestrial probes, silent observers that had drifted off course. Skeptics accused the Betz family of hoaxing the whole thing. But none of them could duplicate the orb's movement patterns. None could explain its eerie hum. None could agree on what was inside. Eventually, the spotlight dimmed. The mystery sphere faded from headlines, slipping into that strange twilight space between science and legend. But even now, one question refuses to settle. Why did a silent, flawless metal sphere appear on a burned Florida property and behave like it had a mind of its own? Whatever the answer, the Betz mystery ball remains a reminder that sometimes the world doesn't hide its secrets underground or in distant galaxies. It drops them at our feet and dares us to understand. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.